When you think of modern manufacturing, you think of lots of computers running everything super efficiently. That is, unless you've actually worked on a plant floor. Because then you know that each of the major automation vendors are all trying to lock you into using their products. And since everyone really uses different software and hardware, you end up with a bunch of different pieces, with a bunch of different versions that won't talk to each other. So then you have to invest tons of money into trying to make it all compatible, but in the end, it's pretty much anarchy on your plant floor. You can only imagine what it looks like when it comes time to upgrade. Each dollar you spend makes your system more and more incompatible because all of the pieces were designed with one thing in mind, to make the vendors more money. So when it comes time to add more seats, process more data, and connect with databases, you're paying for every single change, upgrade, addition, and license. While some companies depend upon black magic to try and keep their systems operational, it's gotten so ridiculous that some of the biggest companies around just stick to clipboards and spreadsheets just to avoid the whole mess. Well, the guys over at Inductive Automation asked the question, what if there was a better way? What if we scrapped this whole mess and started over using modern IT practices and modern software technology? So they created Ignition. It's a single centralized server that acts as a hub for everything on your plant floor. Yeah, everything, no matter what brand, model, or platform. It talks to your plant floor equipment just as naturally as it talks to SQL databases, bridging the gap between production and IT. And because it's server-based, you can launch unlimited free web-based clients from anywhere, and they're always up to date. And what's more, you can update every user's application by pressing one button. Oh, and you can do that across multiple facilities that are miles apart. So now you can finally ditch your clipboards and spreadsheets and legacy software systems and not worry about things like client licenses, software version compatibility, or database connectivity issues. And now you can finally focus on creating your ideal system. And instead of being charged by the number of users, the amount of data, or the equipment that you use, you pay one amount up front for the server, which is a fraction of what it costs to even get started with the other guys. And you'll never have to worry about paying to expand your system. So the anarchy that existed on your plant floor is now simplified, more efficient, and more productive. Ignition is already being used in every industry across the globe. Imagine how your company could benefit from using modern HMI SCADA software. Stop the anarchy. Increase the productivity. Download a free trial today.